What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys are using this weekend, and I guess that you're using this weekend to prepare ourselves for the next trading week. This is your boy Hanum, and I'm back with another video. There's going to be a weekly outlook for the coming week of, okay, I haven't checked. Okay, the 9th of January up and until the 12th of January. Looking for possible direction, that we'll be trading for the coming week. You guys know it, how we base our trade ideas and how we base our weekly outlooks. We're not looking for much, we're not looking for less. This will be the first outlook of the year. And I guess that we keep the consistency like we did 2 years ago, last year, and we keep it again this year, right? So before we get any further, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video, comment in the video. Click on the link on my description to sign up with the broker that I use, Quick Trade. And to most of all, check out the day in live vlogs that I recently dropped. They're cool, they're fire, they're educational, and they most of all, they're new, right? So when we hit the charts, guys, we're starting off with the NAS, right? You can clearly see the structure of the NAS. We're currently in a downtrend, or rather what I say, from this uptrend, price is giving us a deeper pullback, looking for continuation to the upside. But when we now look at what we'll be looking for, or look at the charts deeply inside of it, we can clearly see that, okay, price had a break out of our major zone and created those all-time highs and broke back below. So obviously from this breakout, we're looking for retest to continue up, right? But we had a breakout and a break back in. So obviously once price breaks above of our resistance and breaks back below of the resistance, we at least need to wait for this retest below to confirm to us that obviously this is a major resistance and we still are holding the zone. Let's look for a move to the downside, right? But in this instance, my trade idea is very simple. I'm waiting for confirmation because, one, like I say, we had a breakout and a break back in. So obviously we anticipate this retest below, looking to continue down. But at the same time, price has created a lower low and a lower high. We might possibly look for a new lower low once we get a violation of this previous lower low. So for now, I just don't have confirmation into what I have to do. I'm waiting for confirmation. So there's nothing else that I can say. We move, right? Looking at the second pair, which is gold. So gold, I also won't chop it up that much because you can clearly see that gold had this bear move and now we're kind of like in an exhaustion or a pullback, and we might possibly do for continuation such a downside. But why am I saying that? Because you can clearly see that price once created this intraday resistance and we came back again to this intraday resistance. And when I'm now speaking patterns and reversals, when I'm now speaking continuation or reversal patterns, you can clearly see that price is kind of like creating that possible head and shoulders. We might be looking for a move to the downside, but I'm waiting for confirmation because I'm not sure on what might happen for the coming week. Will price do what? Will price move to the downside as we anticipate a head and shoulders, or will price move to the upside based on this correction or this exhaustion phase? The price might be looking to come back to test our resistance before we can look for that move to the downside. I'm still not sure. That's why I'm waiting for confirmation. So there's nothing else that I also have to say on gold. We move, right? The other pair that we're looking at is USD CAD. So structure of USD CAD, we can all clearly see that price is looking for what? For that reversal to the upside. But why am I saying price is looking for that possible reversal to the upside? Because we had the zone, right, that price once created, and we had price breaking below of that zone, and now we have price breaking above and closing the week while trading above. So we have this previous higher low, we have this previous lower high, that once led price into creating a new lower low, right? So coming back to that lower high, what's next that we'll be looking for? I just also don't know, but all I want to say or tell you guys is that price is even creating that possible inverse head and shoulders. That will be one of the reasons why I'll be looking forward for the possible reversal, right? But I'm strictly not focusing on this inverse head and shoulders per se. But all I want to say is prices created a high, came back to the highs, right, and couldn't break above the highs. So what we're looking for in our trade idea is very simple. We're looking to be bullish as long as price violates the highs. So If we can get price trading above this highs, then we'd anticipate a continuation to the upside. But if price will violate our zone, this very same zone, then I guess we'd look forward for a move to the downside, because if we are above a certain zone, we move to the upside. If we are below, then we move to the downside. In this instance, I'm waiting for two things. Are we gonna break above the highs to continue up, or are we gonna violate our zone to move down? We just don't know. That's why I'm saying I'm bullish above highs and I'm bearish below. So do you guys understand that? So we move, right? The other pair that we'll be looking for is Tesla. So Tesla, guys, Tesla hasn't created in price action. We still don't have beautiful price action to trade on Tesla, but I can clearly see that, okay, price was creating this possible channel, this possible bullish channel, right? And price violated that possible bullish channel. So obviously from this breakout, we need to wait for a pullback or an exhaustion phase over higher low or lower high formation or retest before we can look for continuation to the downside. But I don't have a trade idea for now, because I know that many traders will never understand what I'm sharing, or will never get the picture of what I'm trying to show you guys or tell you guys, right? So Tesla, I don't have a trade idea. I'm waiting for reasons and signs into what I have to do. Are we gonna respect the zone? Are we gonna do as we anticipate, or is it gonna do the opposite? We just don't know. That's why I'm saying I don't have a trade idea for now. So what do we do when you don't have a trade idea? We move, right? So last but not least, we're having Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin, I'm still complaining and still telling you guys about this very same zone, right? I'm still telling you guys about this very same zone, because Bitcoin is moving sideways. So Bitcoin has been moving sideways for some time. I think from the 4th of December up and until today, which is more like 2 months now. We're closing 2 months now since price has been moving in one. So that $40,000 mark and that $44,000 mark. So we are 4,000 pips. We are 4,000 points of pips inside this correction. Very tradable, right? But I don't want to say much. So my trading is very simple on Bitcoin. I'm looking for bullish or bearish breakout to confirm my trade, to confirm my direction. So bullish breakout, we move up, a bear breakout, we move down. If we don't get this breakouts, we trade support and resistance. And that will be as simple as it has to be. Do you guys understand that? So this will be my trade idea for the coming week, guys. Are we anticipating what we're anticipating? Is it gonna be valid or not? Are we gonna respect the zone? Are we gonna violate the zone? Are we closing above? Are we closing below? Are we failing to break? Are we breaking out? We just don't know. We're waiting for signs, we're waiting for reasons, and we're most of all waiting for price to confirm to us what we have to do as traders, because the market will forever show us we have to react. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, people, I guess you smash the like video, you smash on the like button, you share the video, you comment on the video, you subscribe to the channel, you comment on the video, you click on the links on my description to either sign up with the broker that I use to watch my day in the life vlogs, or to join my Telegram group that I have opened since last year, that we traders are eating on and benefiting from. Do you want to be part of it? Click on that link. Or do you want to hit my line concerning Forex? Hit my line. I've left my numbers up there, and I've left my Instagram link up there. But without further ado, let's make 2024 way, 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 way greater than any other trading year has ever been in our trading lives. And I repeat, and I repeat, and I repeat, let's give it all to the Most High, because with Him, all things are possible. But without further ado, this is your boy Hala. That's all I got on this video.